Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Google Chrome on your Windows 10 operating system. So let's get started. So first of all, open your Edge browser and search for Chrome English and then press enter. And the first link hopefully which will appear here will be from google.com. So I'm going to just click on that link. And then on the next page, I'm going to just click download Chrome. And then I will just accept license terms and conditions and then press this button. So accept and install button. And once this chrome setup.exe file is downloaded, we are going to run it, and I'm going to minimize the browser. Now here it will ask, do you want to allow this app to make changes on your PC? So I will just press yes. And now the installation of Google Chrome will start, so you don't need to do anything. Google Chrome will be installed automatically, so just wait for this process to complete. And now I can see this icon is created on my desktop, which is Google Chrome icon. And now after installation, this Google Chrome is also opened on my Windows 10 operating system. So now I can start using Google Chrome on my Windows 10 operating system. Now once Google Chrome is installed on your Windows 10 operating system, let me show you how you can make your browser as your default browser. So for that, you just need to click on your Windows icon here and now click settings, and under settings just click system. And under system, just choose this option which says default apps, and in the default apps you just need to scroll down a little where it says web browser, and then just choose Google Chrome from here. So just choose Google Chrome instead of Microsoft Edge, and then close your settings, right? So this will make your Google Chrome as your default browser. Now let me show you how you can pin your Google Chrome to your taskbar here at the bottom, right? So you can see it's not there right now. So first of all, just open your Google Chrome web browser, and once it's open, you just need to right click on this icon and then just choose pin to taskbar, and this will pin your Google Chrome icon to your taskbar, right? So once you close your Google Chrome, you can see this icon remains, so you can directly click on this icon and open Google Chrome once again. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and bye for now.